Here are some common English acronyms that you might have heard or seen before. The first one we have is ASAP. This means as soon as possible. Following that, we have ETA, estimated time of arrival. For the third one, we have FYI, for your information. Next, we have RSVP. This is a French word, répondez s'il vous plaît. This means please respond as soon as possible. Following that, we have DIY, do it yourself. Next, we have CEO, Chief Executive Officer. And last, we have ATM, Automated Teller Machine. These are just a few of the different English acronyms that are commonly used. There are many other acronyms that are used in various contexts in English. Follow me if you would like to see more English videos and advice. Goodbye.